I had to make this video. And so, I might get a lot of dislikes for this video, but I don't really care. And, me, Kevin, probably lost a lot of money. So, Josh and Stocks made a video on me, Kevin. I can't believe people are paying him $600 a month to be in his stock market membership group where he makes a bunch of videos that and his stock picks. And my assumption is most of his stock picks that you guys follow him on, you guys are probably bag holding, and your portfolio probably looks like extremely red right now. Extremely red right now, in my opinion, if you are following him. Because my assumption is he went for growth, speculative SPAC plays, and his stocks are probably not doing very well. What's this one stock that he was really happy about? Matterport, I think it's called. Matterport. I don't even know what the symbol. Matterport stock. GHVI. Let's look at GHVI stock. Ooh, look at that! It went from so he got pumped all the way to $25, and then it crashed to 13, bounced back, and then crashed again to $12, and now it's bouncing back. Woo! He lost a lot of money on this one, especially if he didn't trade it and he just held on to it. Yeah, it also depends on when he bought it at too. Maybe he bought it at $15, $16, or worse, I don't think he bought it at 24. But I bet you he held on at 24, and it just kept going down and down, and he probably like, oh, buying opportunity. I bought more, and then he went on margin call. He went on margin because he ran out of money to buy stuff with, and he got margin called, and he got to liquidate his stocks to pay back the margin. Yeah, I think people who follow him probably lost a lot of money. Comment down below. Let me know if you lost a lot of money following me, Kevin. This is no offense to him. I just think he's really new to the stock market game. I think he was just, the market. I think he came into the market when the market was crashing, right? When the whole virus situation was going on. He went into the market, and he did really well. He doubled his money, tripled his money on some of the plays because the market crashed, and he bought in at the right time, and he made off like a bandit. And then he got overconfident, and he just kept buying stocks, and he ran out of money, and he started buying on margin, and he got margin called. And he lost a lot of money. At least I think so. I could be wrong. Pure speculation on my part. You really don't know his true finances because he's never going to really share that. But, I think he got margin called. At least he thinks he got margin called. I could be wrong. Comment down below. This guy, me, Kevin, actually has a lot of love with him because look at 73 dislikes. 187 likes. So, there's some real good traders here, and there are people who will take a bullet for me, Kevin. 73 of them. Because he is such a nice guy or something like that. I don't know. $600 for his membership group? Please tell me in the comments below that this guy's been making wonderful picks and making your portfolio look green and bright and awesome. Please tell me that in the comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts on how me, Kevin, is doing in the markets. I don't follow him. I'm not in his group, but he lost a lot of money. I mean, I don't blame her or anything. I did the same thing, right? I did the same thing. So I got really lucky with Aurora, right? I like back in the day, right? Like I bought a ton of Aurora down here, right? And then the stock shot up, and I was literally like a millionaire. Like I was like at $3 million in my portfolio, and I got cocky. I held on to my stock. I bought different stocks. I was gambling. I didn't know what I was doing, and I lost a lot of money. I literally went from $3 million to under $1 million. I dug myself back over $1 million. I'm a millionaire again, but I'm never gonna ever get super greedy like that. I'm always going to make sure I have, you know, stocks and cash, and just don't get too greedy in the market. Always know your risk. Always, you know, sometimes you have to cut your losses and, you know, wait a little bit and see if you want to buy back in. Sometimes you just gotta do that, and it works out sometimes, but sometimes it fails. But it doesn't matter, because sometimes you make bad decisions in the market, and you sometimes have to cut your losses, or else you could even bag hold even longer. So it works out sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't. So, you know, but ultimately, what really brings you a lot of money is finding big winners. Big winners in the market will bring you a lot of money. That's, you know, like Aurora was a big winner, brought me a lot of money. GameStop was a big winner. It brought me a lot of money. You know, I could have made way more money. I could have had like millions of dollars. I had like 20,000 shares of GameStop at $4, but I sold out, and I ended up having way less shares, but I had to buy back in at $10. But still, I still made a lot of money. But if I had my original 20,000 shares of GameStop, and if it was trading at like, you know, $200, I would have had $4 million in cash. $4 million in cash in a short amount of time if I held on to my 20,000 shares of GameStop. But I didn't, and I lost out big time on that. But I still made a lot of money off GameStop. I'm still a millionaire. So, you know, but still, you know, that's just my reality, and that's life. I should have held on to my 20,000. I end up with a lot less. I don't want to disclose how much, because that would let you guys know how much money I made off GameStop, and I don't want anyone to know. So, you know, just saying. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.